this video, I'm going to show you how to create embed rules on your Discord server. It's really quick and easy. As you can see, this is my test server, and you're going to want to make sure you create a channel with the plus button, and we're going to call it rules, as you can see here. Next, we're going to click on the gear where it says edit channel. From there, we're going to go to integrations, and you're going to see webhooks. We're going to click create webhook. As you can see, we have no webhooks, so we're going to create one, and we're going to click on it, and you're going to see you're able to upload your own image. This will be the logo for the bot. As you can see, there it is, and we're going to give it the channel name. There it is. We're going to click save changes, and we're going to click copy web URL. From there, we're going to go to the website known as discohook.app. If you're at the other one where it's dark mode, you'll click the link there. It'll redirect you to this page. But next, we're going to go to add webhook. And once we're here, we're going to paste this link right there. And as you can see, the webhook is successfully added. Once we do that, you can see it over here on the preview. Now, you've got this template right here, and it shows you how these embeds will look. You can have the main message explaining things here, or you can have an embed explaining things, but be warned, there is only 10 embeds available. Now, in the case that you have more than 10 rules, what I suggest is in a separate browser, you will be able to do this exact same process, send the same embed message at the exact same time, so it looks like an extra long list. But in this case, I'm going to delete everything. We're just going to start from scratch, and we're going to click add down here and then add embed, and we're going to hit the arrow, and then we're going to go to body, and here's the title. You can add the word rules here, and we could also do it here at the top as well. Either or, whatever works for you. But in this case, we're not going to be doing it like this. We're just going to go and we're just going to start fresh with rule number 1. Rule number 1 is no spam, but if you want to give the text more of a boldness, make it bigger, you're going to add multiple number signs. As you can see right there, if you add 2, that is probably the sweet spot. You can go down to 1 and it'll make it extra big. And then 3, it's a little bit smaller. Like I said, it depends on what you want. But in terms of sidebar color, we're going to click on the gray here and we're going to change it. You can have it to red, you can have it to green, blue, really anything. We're going to keep it on green, why not? And if you want to add an image, you also got large image URL. Now, if we go over here, you can see I have a random image, for example. I'm going to right click on it and then click copy image link. And you're going to paste that in, and then from there we could do add embed again, and then rule number 2 will be something simple as well. As you can see, we have our 2 rules. Now, I personally don't want this image here, so I'm going to get rid of it, but I wanted to show you guys that it is possible to add. Now, once this is all done, like I said, add up to 10. You can keep doing this, and you could obviously open another tab and then make it an extra long list. And of course, you can also have multiple rules in one embed, so it's completely up to you. Like, you could have rule 2 here and make this super long, but if you want it to look a little cleaner to emphasize the importance of one rule individually, that's why I say 10, but it's really how you format it. But once you're done with all this, you're going to click the send button, and it's going to send, and we're going to click send again, and then it'll send straight away over in the server here. Now, I actually forgot to get rid of this, so this is a good example of showing you can send it unlimited times. So I'm going to get rid of this real quick. We're going to click send again, and we're going to go back to the server, and there it is. Now, I'm going to delete this message on top, and as you can see, this is how it's going to look. And of course, in permissions, you're going to want to make sure that people are able to view the channel, but they're not able to manage it, send messages. You don't want them to send it, but you could probably allow them to react, but it's that simple. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.